Hello everyone, this is Granddad Young. In this video, we are going to talk about a letter of the English alphabet. We are going to talk about the letter X. Capital X, little x. What words begin with X? Xylocarp. X-Y-L-O-C-A-R-P. The word xylocarp begins with the letter X. It is the name of a group of fruit that has a woody outer casing. A common xylocarp is a coconut. Xylophone. X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E. This musical instrument has wooden bars that, when struck, produce a musical note. Xylophones make beautiful music. Xerus. X-E-R-U-S. This African mammal is similar to the North American squirrel. The xerus played the xylophone. What sound does the letter X represent? Z. Can you say Z? Very good. X, the 24th letter of the English alphabet. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you.